All right, let's get started here. So thanks, GM, everyone, for being here for Furucombo's 35th community call. So we can get right into it. We got some interesting things to share today. So I'll just be going over the updates with Furucombo, new releases, workshop updates, FuruRadio Updates. I want to share a bit on the position management tutorial videos that we've created. We have a couple events going up, so Eth Taipei, also Eth Denver. We will be at Eth Denver, so if you are there, come see us. You can collect an OAT, actually a POAP from us in person. So we want to talk to everyone at that event and hear what you have to say. So hope to see you there. And then we got an ongoing marketing event, Polygon Degens. And then I'll pass it over to Dan at the end just to provide a brief update on product tasks that we're working on. And then of course, we have an open AMA at the end. So if you have any questions, please let us know. So in terms of new releases, we got listed on the Mises browser. So you can access our DApp directly from there. We also listed the Hop token and Floki token on our website, so that's now whitelisted on our app. And we also got listed on the Alchemy DApp store. Additionally, we also retired our auto farming pools on Polygon. So if you are in an auto farming pool, you can withdraw at any time at your convenience, but you won't be getting any more rewards on that farm anymore. So if you are in there and you do want to continue accruing rewards, you'll have to leave that farming pool and just manually compound those rewards on your own now. So some big news that we're sharing this month is that we're launching on Fantom. So this will bring our network count to 6, and available protocols will be SpookySwap, Paraswap, Geist, which is an Aave fork, and Curve. So stay tuned to our social media for details on the launch date, but we are pretty close to releasing this, so hopefully you can take the time to check this out. And yeah, we're excited to launch on Fantom as well. So last month we also had a NFT-Fi workshop. So this was around kind of what's up and coming for NFT-Fi, what is NFT-Fi, which protocols can be used. So if you are interested in learning something new about NFT-Fi, you can definitely check out this workshop. And that's on our YouTube channel, or you can find it in the Furu Studio channel on Discord. And of course, if there's any workshop content you want to see, let us know. Definitely check out these workshops. We create this content for our community, and it helps, to get feedback from you and for you to watch the videos and just use the content that we're creating for you. Because yeah, it's for the community. So let us know what you think, and yeah, hope you enjoy that workshop. We also hosted another FuruRadio last month, and the topic was on derivatives. So we had Yenwen from Perpetual Protocol and Seraph from GMX. So we just discussed, what are derivatives? What's the state of the derivatives market? Which protocols can you use? What's up and coming for Perpetual and GMX in the future? And what kind of developments in the space are going to change the derivatives market to bring it more mainstream. So this was an interesting discussion. If you are interested in checking this out, again, it's on our Furu Studio or on our YouTube. And similar to the workshop, if there's any topic you want covered, let us know. Again, we create this content for the community, so we want feedback from you guys on what you want to hear or learn about. Okay, so this couple weeks ago, we also created some position management tutorial videos. So this is just to help, new users or old users just to come up with the formula for creating these transactions and kind of understanding how to set up the cubes. So this is mainly for Aave or Maker or any other lending protocol, some of them using flash loans to manage your positions. So we created one on lending and borrowing in one transaction. We have a video for collateral swap, debt swap, self-liquidation, long position leverage strategy, and short position leverage strategy. And you can visit our YouTube or find these in the Furu Studio as well. So yeah, they're really good, kind of just short to the point videos on how to create these combinations. So it's there to help you again. And if you have any questions, definitely let us know, or any other videos or strategies you want to see. So as I mentioned before, we also have Eth Taipei coming up. There, I believe the dates are locked down now. I didn't include them. Maybe it is on the April 21st still. I got to double check that. But if you are going to be in Taipei or you are interested in attending this event, this will be going on. We will be a main sponsor in this event, and it's going to be an in-depth developer-focused event. So I'll share more details in the next community call around specifics. But yeah, if you are interested, please reach out to us or check out the Taipei website. You can also follow them on Twitter to get kind of ongoing updates as well. And then we also launched our Polygon Degens campaign. So if you perform any transaction on Polygon greater than $100 in volume since the start of the campaign, which I believe is about 9 days or so, maybe a little bit less or more, and you join us on Discord, Twitter, you'll qualify for the Polygon Degens NFT. So there are some prizes to win at the end of the campaign, and Polygon themselves might do something to, or for anyone who's collected a certain number of these NFTs from the campaign. So if you haven't yet participated in this, you can join via the Twitter, via, I believe, we have a Medium article for that as well. But Twitter or Galaxy page is probably the easiest location to get the link. You can go directly to our Galaxy page and find the details there, or we'll post it in the on the Twitter as well. And then I'll pass it over to Dan just to give an update on product tests.
Okay, for this spring we do a lot of different feature and the task. The first we'll support Aave v3 under Ethereum, and we'll support fresh loan deposit, withdraw, and borrow repaid. So if you want to use it on the Ethereum, you maybe can use on the next week, because we plan to launch those features in the next week. And the second is the token bridge. We will integrate the Stargate on the exchange. So if you want to bridge your access to the L1 to L2, you can use this bridge. And the third one is the multi-sig cube. Because we find a lot of our user used our send token cube several times in one transaction. So we want to provide a better user experience. So now, next week, you can use the CSV file, or you can edit the address to do the multi-send with a better user experience. And you can save your address list, like you have the 10 address with 10 different amount. You can save it on the Furucombo in your browser local. So if you want to use send address list next time, you can just clear the button on our interface. You don't need to upload the CS file again. And for, like Josh mentioned, we will deploy on the Fantom, and will support the Spooky and the Paraswap, the Curveless, those protocol. So if anyone want to use, you can see it on the next week. And for the next spring, we already plan some the feature about position management, and some integrate with the maker. So we will update soon after we settle a release date. I think that is the update about recently. Yeah, Josh.
Cool, thanks, Dan. So, a question on the Stargate bridge. So they'll be able to, or people or users will be able to swap between any of the chains that are supported by Furucombo.
Uh, for now we will support Ethereum, Polygon, Alpha Launch, Arbitrum, and Optimism. So we will not support on the Fantom for now, but we will add it on after that.
Okay, cool. And then I can swap from, say, Arbitrum to Optimism, or it has to be from layer one to layer two, or
You can swap to any chain we support, but it have some, like you can only use the USDC to from, I think, layer 2 to layer 1. I'm not quite so sure because the different token is not can bridge to other chain for each token.
I see, I see. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. Well, no problem using that on Furucombo then, because you can just put a swap cube ahead of your token bridge cube. So cool. Okay, that is pretty much the end of the monthly updates. If we have any questions from the community, I'd be happy to answer them. Otherwise, of course, everyone will receive a OAT for being in attendance. And also remember, you can claim any unclaimed OATs directly from the Furucombo wallet page. And yeah, if you are going to be at ETH Denver, definitely reach out and we'd be happy to chat with you in person. And you guys can collect that POAP. We'll see if we have any questions. Or feel free to just jump on the chat here. Awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys are all excited about another chain launch. And we will be doing another trading campaign on that as well. So we will be giving out those free passes for no fees for the first couple weeks there, a month. So awesome. Cool. Well, thank you everyone for attending, and we hope to see you at the next one, hopefully in ETH Denver or ETH Taipei. Cheers. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Josh. Bye, everyone.
Take care.